Hi everyone, Paul here from Beautiful British English. Welcome to today's lesson, and today we're looking at the difference between using if and whether in your writing and also in your everyday conversation. I was asked a question in a lesson earlier today about the difference between if and whether, so that has inspired this lesson for you guys today. And as well as talking about if and whether during the lesson, we also sort of brainstormed a number of alternatives to if that you can use, and this is the list that we came up with over the course of 2 or 3 minutes. So we've got providing that, unless, as long as, however many, wherever, when, in case. So what I want you guys to understand is that there are actually many alternatives to using if in your writing, also in your speaking, but you do have to make sure you get them correct. Yeah. So let's concentrate for now on if and whether, and make sure that you guys understand the difference here. Okay. So if is dead simple. You guys know that you use if to create what we call a conditional sentence. Now, a condition basically means, well, here's the sentence: let me know if you're coming to the party. Yeah. So we can split this sentence here. If you're coming to the party, okay, this is the condition in our sentence. So if this is true, yeah, so if you're coming to the party, if that is true, then this action has to follow. Let me know. If you're not coming to the party, you don't have to do anything. But if you are coming to the party, and this is true, okay, this action follows. So this action has to be true before this action is relevant. Okay, that's a condition. Makes sense. Whether, however, we use in exactly the same sentence, but when there are two alternatives. Now, only two alternatives. If there are 3 alternatives, 4 alternatives, 100 alternatives, you would actually use if again, okay? But when there are 2 alternatives, okay, we use whether. So here's our sentence: let me know whether you're coming to the party or not. So let's split the sentence again there. Okay, so whether you're coming to the party or not. So we have the positive response and the negative response within our condition. So if this is true, then this action follows: let me know. But actually in this case as well, here we have the alternative, and if this is true, then this action follows. Okay, so whether you're coming to the party or not, 2 alternative options, yes or no, this action follows. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. Yeah, if is basically generally used when one action happens and immediately after that action the second action can occur. In the condition, this action here is irrelevant unless this action here is true. Whereas with whether, okay, because we have the 2 alternatives, whether one of them is true or both of them are true, this action is relevant. Yeah? I hope I have explained that quite efficiently or quite sufficiently for you guys. Yeah? But that is the main difference between whether and if. There are many other alternatives, as I said previously. We don't have time to talk about them today. But if you want to know how to use any of those, including when, let me know and I will make a video for you.